Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to demo Justice by TNT Fireworks. This is a large 500-gram fountain or finale fountain. Now the performance on this just says colored sparks, silver rains, crackles, and whistles. So not a lot of detail there, but they do have some photos on the packaging here to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. You can see a torch effect here on the left, and the center and right images show a lot of red and green color. And the pictures on this side also show a lot of red and green along with some crackle. Now, in terms of price, I got this as part of an assortment at Costco, so it worked out to being about $37. Now let's light it up and check it out.